Hi, this is Kiwi English. In this video, we will learn about kitchen vocabulary with sentences. Pot, pot. I use a large pot to cook soup. I use a large pot to cook soup. Teaspoon, teaspoon. Add a teaspoon of sugar to your tea. Add a teaspoon of sugar to your tea. Chopping board, chopping board. I chop vegetables on the chopping board. I chop vegetables on the chopping board. Knife, knife. The knife is sharp, so be careful. The knife is sharp, so be careful. Sink, sink. I wash dishes in the sink. I wash dishes in the sink. Bowl, bowl. She likes to eat cereal in a bowl. She likes to eat cereal in a bowl. Oven, oven. I bake a cake in the oven. I bake a cake in the oven. Wok, wok. She stir-fries vegetables in the wok. She stir-fries vegetables in the wok. Cup, cup. My favorite cup is the blue one. My favorite cup is the blue one. Spoon, spoon. Can you pass me a spoon for the soup? Can you pass me a spoon for the soup? Trash can, trash can. I throw the eggshells in the trash can. I throw the eggshells in the trash can. Fork, fork. I use a fork to eat spaghetti. I use a fork to eat spaghetti. Plate, plate. I put the pizza on the plate. I put the pizza on the plate. Blender, blender. I use the blender to make smoothies. I use the blender to make smoothies. mug, mug. I drink coffee from my favorite mug. I drink coffee from my favorite mug. Apron, apron. When I cook, I wear an apron. When I cook, I wear an apron. Refrigerator, refrigerator. I put the groceries in the refrigerator. I put the groceries in the refrigerator. Microwave, microwave. Tom heats up leftovers in the microwave. Tom heats up leftovers in the microwave. Peeler, peeler. She uses a peeler to peel the cucumbers. She uses a peeler to peel the cucumbers. Kettle, kettle. Dara boils water in the kettle for tea. Dara boils water in the kettle for tea. Frying pan, frying pan. He fries the eggs in a frying pan. He fries the eggs in a frying pan. Sponge, sponge. He uses a sponge to wipe the countertop. He uses a sponge to wipe the countertop. Grater. He uses a grater to shred the cheese. He uses a grater to shred the cheese. Colander, colander. I use the colander to drain the boiled spaghettis. I use the colander to drain the boiled spaghettis. Whisk, whisk. I whisk the eggs for omelets. I whisk the eggs for omelets. Measuring cup, measuring cup. She uses a measuring cup to pour the milk. She uses a measuring cup to pour the milk. Can opener, can opener. She uses a can opener to open the tin cans. She uses a can opener to open the tin cans. Toaster, toaster. May puts the bread in the toaster. May puts the bread in the toaster. Tongs. Tongs. Max uses tongs to flip the meat on the grill. Max uses tongs to flip the meat on the grill. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. I use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. I use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Ladle. Ladle. My mom uses a ladle to serve the soup. My mom uses a ladle to serve the soup. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. My dad uses a corkscrew to open the wine bottle. My dad uses a corkscrew to open the wine bottle. Grill. Grill. He loves to grill meats and sausages on weekends. He loves to grill meats and sausages on weekends. Gas stove. Gas stove. Anna cooks dinner on the gas stove. Anna cooks dinner on the gas stove. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. I load the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. I load the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. He uses chopsticks to eat his sushi. He uses chopsticks to eat his sushi. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Mary brews her morning coffee with a coffee maker. Mary brews her morning coffee with a coffee maker. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Clara wears oven mitts to take the hot tray out of the oven. Clara wears oven mitts to take the hot tray out of the oven. Wine glass. Wine glass. She pours the wine into a wine glass. She pours the wine into a wine glass. Basket. Basket. She puts the apples in the basket. She puts the apples in the basket. Scissors. Scissors. He uses scissors to cut the herbs. He uses scissors to cut the herbs. Timer. Timer. He sets the timer for 10 minutes to bake the cookies. He sets the timer for 10 minutes to bake the cookies. Jug. Jug. Can you pour some juice from the jug? Can you pour some juice from the jug? Cabinet. Cabinet. Can you open the cabinet? Can you open the cabinet? Steamer. Steamer. I steam fishes in the steamer. I steam fishes in the steamer. Sieve. Sieve. I sift flour with the sieve. I sift flour with the sieve. Juicer. Juicer. I make fresh juice with the juicer. I make fresh juice with the juicer. Washing up liquid. Washing up liquid. I use washing up liquid to wash the dishes. I use washing up liquid to wash the dishes.